Welcome to Step-by-Step Machine Learning with Python by Yüksel Ulvi, a course by Packt Publishing. Yüksel Ulvi is currently a data scientist working on messaging app optimization at a multinational online media corporation in Toronto. He focuses on social graph mining, user demographics, interest prediction, spam detection, and recommendation systems. He has worked for several years as a data scientist in real-time bidding programmatic advertising, where he applied his machine learning expertise in ad optimization, click-through rate and conversion prediction, and click fraud detection. He earned his degree from the University of Toronto and published 5 IEEE transactions and conference papers during his master's research. He is also a machine learning education enthusiast and has authored the Python Machine Learning by Example book. Data science and machine learning are some of the top buzzwords in the technical world today. The resurging interest in machine learning is due to the same factors that have made data mining and Bayesian analysis more popular than ever. This video is your entry point to machine learning. With the first section, Getting Started with Python and Machine Learning, it starts with an introduction to machine learning and the Python language and shows you how to complete the necessary setup. The second section, exploring the 20 newsgroups dataset with text analysis algorithms, explains important concepts such as getting the data, its features, and pre-processing. It also covers the dimension reduction technique, principal component analysis, and the k-nearest neighbors algorithm. Then we will move on to spam email detection with Naive Bayes, that covers classification, Naive Bayes and its in-depth implementation, classification performance evaluation, model selection and tuning, and cross-validation. Examples such as spam email detection are demonstrated. Our fourth section, News Topic Classification with Support Vector Machine, covers multi-class classification, support vector machine, and how it is applied in topic classification. Other important concepts, such as kernel machine, overfitting, and regularization, are discussed. After that, we will gradually move on to click-through prediction with tree-based algorithms that explains decision trees and random forests in depth over the course of solving an advertising click-through rate problem. The sixth section, Click-through prediction with logistic regression, explains in depth the logistic regression classifier. Also, concepts such as categorical variable encoding, L1 and L2 regularization, feature selection, online learning, and stochastic gradient descent are detailed. Following that, we will go ahead for the seventh section, Stock Price Prediction with Regression Algorithms, that analyzes predicting stock market prices using Yahoo or Google Finance data and maybe additional data. Also, it covers the challenge in finance and brief explanations of related concepts. Our last and final section, Best Practices, aims to foolproof your learning and get you ready for production. After covering multiple projects in this book, the readers will have gathered a broad picture of the ML ecosystem using Python. By the end of this course, you will acquire the mechanics of several important machine learning algorithms, which will no longer seem obscure. Also, you will be able to build your own models from scratch, and you will have a broad picture of the machine learning ecosystem. Or rather, I could say you will be able to tackle data-driven problems and implement your solutions with the powerful yet simple Python language. Those who are not feeling confident about mathematical knowledge might be wondering how much time should be spent learning or brushing up the knowledge of the aforementioned subjects. Don't panic. We will get machine learning working for us without going into any mathematical details in this course. It just requires some basic 101 knowledge of probability theory and linear algebra, which helps us understand the mechanics of machine learning techniques and algorithms. And it gets easier as we will be building models both from scratch and with popular packages in Python, a language we like and are familiar with. All you need is a machine running Python version 3.6.1 and Anaconda version 4.4.0. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.